Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Dr. Case Academy. My name is Muslim Khan. In this video tutorial, we will learn that how we can draw this figure using relative coordinate system in AutoCAD. Our previous video was about drawing this figure using an absolute coordinate system in AutoCAD. If you don't watch or want to learn that how we can draw this figure using absolute coordinate system in AutoCAD, then you can click on the I button and watch full video as well. For a relative coordinate system, first of all, we have to uh, select its origin of the figure. This is origin of 0 comma 0. So you have to activate line command, click on line. Now you can see here line specify first point. So our first point is 0 comma 0. Type 0 comma 0. You can see here 0 comma 0. Press enter. You can see your line command is activated. Now come to the find B. So you have in the relative coordinate system you have to type at the rate, then x distance with sign, comma distance with sign. So here you can see from here to here our x distance is 40 and y is 0. So now you have to type at the rate 40 comma y is 0. So at the rate 40 comma 0, press enter. You can see here. Now then when we move to the next point, then the first point become coordinate or reference for us in the relative coordinate system. So for the point C, for the point B, the point A is our coordinate or reference. When we move to the point C, then the point B become reference for us. So you can see here from here to here, this is our coordinate. The importance of iterate is when we move to the next point, then the first point become reference for us. I can simply tell you from point A to B. Then the point A become our reference. When we move to the point B to C, then the point B will become a reference. When we move to from C to D, then the point C become our reference. So now we have to move from B to C. The point B is our reference. So what is the x value? X value as 0. You can see this is our reference, so x value is 0. And what is the y value? Y value is plus 30. So you have to write type at the rate x value is 0 0 comma y value is plus 30. So you have to type 30. Press enter. You can see here your line has been drawn. Now come to the find D. Find D, when we come to the find D, then the find C become our reference. So in our Cartesian coordinate system, when we move to the left side, then we take it negative, and when we move to the right side, we take it negative. So this is x value from C to D. So this is our reference point. So this is minus 20. So type at the rate minus 20. Now you have to type minus 20 comma what is the y value? This is our reference, so y value is 0. Now type enter. You can see here. Now come to find D. This is our find D, and we have to move from D to E. So when we move to from D to E, so find D is our reference. And Cartesian coordinate system, when we move downward from our reference, then we take it negative. So you can see here y value is minus 15 and x value is 0. So you have to type at the rate then x value is 0 comma y value is minus 15. So d find as our coordinate, as our reference. So from d to e, it is from downward, or from below from our reference, then we have to take it negative. So minus 15. You can see its result. Your planning has been done. Now we have to move to the point F. You can see here from E to F, our reference is point E. Now what is the A value of X and Y? So from here to here, value of X is minus 20 because E is our reference. So from reference toward left side we take it negative, and toward right we take it positive. So this is a negative minus 20, and y value as 0. So at the rate, type at the rate minus 20 comma 0. You can see here minus 20 comma 0. What happened? So you have to type at the rate. Now we have to check it at the rate 20 minus 20 comma 0. So what happened? We draw it positive, so it moved to the right side. So you can see here its result. Now I put back value of minus 20, and it come to the point E. Now we have to come to from E to F. Let we we will delete it, the E. So from E to F, you can see here the value from E to F. X value is 0, X value is minus 20, and Y value is 0. So you have to type at the rate minus 20. And our previous case we take it positive, that's why our line is moved from left to right. So minus 20 comma y value is 0. You can see as result. Now come to from F to A. You can simply type at the rate. So this is our reference. So from here to here distance is 15. So you can F is our reference, then this is from below from the reference, then we take it minus. So at the rate minus 15 comma y value, sorry, x value as 0, comma y value as minus 15, y value as minus 15. You can see here, then press enter. So our figure, we have developed this figure using absolute coordinate system, using relative coordinate system, and AutoCAD. And that we have to draw, we have to delete this, delete it. So what we have done in the relative coordinate system, we just have to type head the rate, then type x value with sign either positive or negative, then separate them by comma, and y value with sign. So this was all about drawing figure using absolute coordinate, using a relative coordinate system and AutoCAD. So if you have any question related to this topic, then you can type in the comment section. Thank you so much.